Imagine waking up tomorrow and every glacier, every ice sheet, every frozen peak has vanished, gone. The world you knew is underwater. Cities, forests, entire landscapes submerged. This is not a distant nightmare, it's a possibility. Tonight, we explore what would happen if all the ice on Earth melted overnight. Earth's ice is not just frozen water, it's a massive reservoir, holding roughly 24 million cubic kilometers of fresh water. That's enough to raise global sea levels by over 70 meters. To put that in perspective, Manhattan, London, Tokyo, all swallowed beneath waves tens of meters deep. And this isn't some slow climate change over centuries. This happens overnight. Antarctica alone holds 90% of the world's ice. Greenland contributes another 10%. These frozen titans are more than ice. They stabilize the planet. They reflect sunlight, regulate climate, and lock away massive amounts of carbon. Without them, the delicate balance of Earth's temperature is shattered. Oceans warm, currents shift. Entire ecosystems teeter on the brink of collapse. 1 cubic kilometer of ice might seem small, but multiply that by millions, and the result is catastrophic. Humanity has never faced an event like this. Even the end of the last ice age took thousands of years. This is instantaneous. Civilization as we know it would be unrecognizable. Throughout history, ice has risen and fallen, sculpting landscapes and driving evolution. The last ice age peaked 20,000 years ago, covering much of North America and Europe in glaciers over a kilometer thick. As ice receded, sea levels rose gradually, allowing humans, animals, and ecosystems time to adapt. But tonight, there is no gradual rise, it's immediate. History has never seen this. First, the coasts disappear. Cities built near water vanish beneath waves. Roads, airports, entire economies destroyed. Populations are displaced by the millions in a global refugee crisis unlike anything humanity has faced. Rivers swell as ice melt surges downstream. Inland regions flood. Fertile plains where crops feed billions are submerged. The chain reaction begins: food shortages, famine, social collapse. Without ice to reflect sunlight, the planet warms. Atmospheric circulation changes. Storms intensify. Hurricanes grow stronger, lasting longer. Monsoon patterns collapse. Every season becomes unpredictable. Ecosystems struggle, many species vanish in the chaos. Melting ice releases enormous amounts of fresh water into the oceans. Salt concentrations drop. Ocean currents, the conveyor belts of heat, slow or stop. Europe chills while the tropics scorch. Fish populations collapse. Marine food chains unravel. Massive ice sheets weigh down continents. Remove that weight and the crust begins to rebound. Earthquakes, volcanic activity, landslides, new hazards emerge from the shifting land. The overnight melting of all ice is more than a physical catastrophe. It's a planetary transformation. Humanity is forced to adapt or perish. Our cities, our infrastructure, our entire way of life rendered obsolete, and yet life endures. Species evolve. Landscapes regenerate. The Earth survives, but we might not. So, what if tomorrow we awoke to a world without ice? Could humanity survive this sudden upheaval? Could we rebuild? Or would civilization itself sink beneath the waves? The answers remain unknown. But one thing is certain: our planet is fragile, and ice is its silent guardian. What other forces of nature, hidden in plain sight, could transform our world overnight? Join us next time as we ask, what if the volcanoes of the world erupted all at once?